Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making crispy sesame tofu. I got this recipe from Sarah's Vegan Kitchen, and she's got some great recipes. I just love her. She's got a great personality and some really good recipes, and I will link her information in the description box below. But to start off, we're going to be cubing up some tofu. And I've got the high protein tofu that's vacuum packed here because it has less water in it, and it will help those tofu crisp up a lot better. If you do use the other tofu in water, you might want to wrap that in a towel, put some weights on it for 30-45 minutes to get most of the moisture out. So we're going to cube this up to start. Now you can cut your tofu in any shapes you would like. I cube mine because I'm going to do these as an appetizer for Super Bowl, but you can do whatever shapes you want if you want to do steaks, strips, whatever. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to put these in some cornstarch and get these all fully coated. So we're going to dredge these in the cornstarch, then we're going to dip them in some soy milk, and then we're going to put them in the Panko breadcrumbs. But before we use these breadcrumbs, we're going to be putting in some spices. So we've got black and white sesame seeds, nutritional yeast, onion, and garlic powder. So that's going to kind of spice this breadcrumbs up. So we're going to whisk this together. So I've got my tofu all coated with the cornstarch. Now I'm just going to start breading them and putting them on my lined baking sheet. So let's start. I'm going to kind of get the excess off there. And we'll put that in the soy milk. And you want to make sure you do get the excess moisture off. And then we're going to coat it generously with breadcrumbs and put those on the baking sheet. So I'm just going to continue breading my tofu and putting them on the lined baking sheet. So I've got all my little tofu cubes all breaded, and so I'm going to throw these in the oven at 450 for about 20 minutes till they're nice and crispy. So they are all done and they look amazing. I'm so excited. Look at that. I paired these with a sweet chili sauce. You could use whatever dipping sauce you would like. So let's give this a try. I might need a napkin or paper towel. All right, here we go. Dip the sauce, hope it's not too hot. Can you hear that? Oh my gosh. So good. They're crispy, so much flavor, and they're baked, no oil, gluten-free, vegan. Thank you, Sarah. Great recipe. You guys got to check out her channel and try her recipes, especially this one. It's good for you, it's good for the animals, and it's good for the planet. And what you put on your plate determines your fate. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. Until next time, thank you.